Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, get us a thumbs up, and share it with your people. So we have the DeFi Crypto Class for entrepreneurs and business owners. This video was created for any and everybody to view. So I just titled it that way because since DeFi is non-traditional banking, which is basically banking at your fingertips. The reason why I had titled it about entrepreneurs and business owners is because, I'm a business owner. I'm an entrepreneur. So I knew that this would touch home with people of that nature. But if you're someone who just has a dream and, you want more access to money, this is for you. All right. So you can watch that video in whole. It's a little bit over an hour. It's like an hour and 9 minutes, hour and 10 minutes or something like that. But if you have trouble watching long videos, I also have a playlist of 9 videos. It's 9-part video out of the DeFi Crypto Class, right? So those would be like, let's go through the subjects. You have part 1, which is DeFi, Decentralized Finance. And then you have part 2, which is what is banking, talking about what is a bank. Then you have part 3, which is what's important for you to know about banking. And then you have part 4, which is the power of DeFi, banking using crypto assets. Then you have part 5, which is the future of finance with cryptocurrency and DeFi. And then you have part 6, DeFi loans and lending, and the proof of concept and everything like that. And then part 7 is crypto wallets. Then you have part 8, which is DeFi optimization, how to optimize DeFi while using it. And then part 9 is NFTs, talking about non-fungible tokens. That's what an NFT stands for. So let me real quick introduce you to this wall right here behind me. All right, this wall is, wow, sorry about that. This wall right here is dedicated, as you can see, NFTs, DeFi. Then we got blockchain cryptocurrencies, top 100 cryptocurrencies, proof of concept, and then the metaverse, right? And what's going on with that? All right. So why is this important to you, or why should it be important to you? In a nutshell, we all want more money. We all need more money, right? Because in order to live life day to day, that means, sustain ourselves with a roof over our head. If we have a business or a side hustle, whatever it is that we want to do, bottom line is we need money for it. I mean, there's not much, in this life nowadays that you can do for free. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do for free that doesn't cost any money, but I'm talking about the day-to-day sustaining, and anything that you have, any ideas that you have, you're going to need money for it, right? Now, you can go the traditional route by doing things like asking your friends and family for money to borrow. You can go to a bank, or you can go to some sort of financial outlet and try to borrow some money that way. A lot of people have messed up credit. So if they are capable of getting a loan, they're going to pay extremely high interest rates. So in a nutshell, this is basically what it's about, whether you have good credit, bad credit, whatever. This gives you access to more money. This gives you access to be able to do things in a more efficient and bigger way, if that's what you want to do. And I'm saying as far as size wise, okay, it's all based on one thing, a crypto asset. That's all you need. You don't have to do any credit checks. You don't have to get any approvals or anything like that. Your approval is just simply having a crypto asset that is accepted on a DeFi platform, meaning to use, right, to borrow against, okay? Because there's like different DeFi platforms have different crypto assets that they accept on that platform to borrow against or whatever. But it's just the way that they're structured. But when it comes down to using DeFi, it's fairly easy. All you need is a crypto asset. So when we talk about banking, right? When we talk about banking, what is a bank? You are the bank. You don't realize this. You don't know this because most people don't know this. They don't teach you this. The only way you're going to find out is either talking to someone who's knowledgeable about banking and who is willing to tell you the truth about banking. Like certain things, like I'm going to just keep this real. Most bankers, right, don't know that you are a banker.
It's you.
Most bankers don't know that when they're dealing with you, they're dealing with the bank. Okay. And I'm not saying this at my own, just like pulling this out the air and just saying this. This is like for real. Okay. And this is by law. When you watch any of the videos that I have published on this channel in regards to decentralized finance, I talk about it throughout the video. And there's a large portion of the video that dives deep into DeFi, the definition of DeFi, and banking. And I tell you this because you have to know this. If you're going to be anything that you get yourself engaged with, anything that you do, you need to know about it, because the more you know, the more you grow and the more you can do. You understand? If you have limited knowledge, then you're limited on your ability to be able to do whatever it is you want to do. Okay. You can have all the wild ideas in your mind that you want, but it doesn't make any difference if you don't know how to execute to get not only bring the idea to fruition, but to, make it thrive. Right. Because a lot of ideas, they fall by the wayside. They die because a lot of times the connectivity that people need isn't there, and it's mainly through a lack of knowledge. And then, of course, networking is the other thing. But overall, it's usually because people have a lack of knowledge, right? Many years ago, I was taught by a private banker. I had a mentor who was a private banker, and he was, a private banker at the highest level. He taught me everything that he knew about banking. Now, at the time, I could not take the knowledge that I gained and, do all the high level things at that time because, I didn't have the access that he had. But he always told me, when you see the opportunity, when the time comes, because he said there's going to be a time where you're going to have the opportunity to be able to use this knowledge, and you need to dive in and, go deep. So DeFi is that. It's banking at the highest level. All right. So basically you have the same ability to make the kind of money that people on Wall Street make, or even some of these hedge funds make, because of what you are able to do through DeFi. DeFi is only two-sided. Okay. It's two-sided. DeFi, you can be a lender. DeFi, you can be a borrower. If you are a lender, you just put up your crypto asset to lend out to people. If you are a borrower, you can, basically take out a DeFi loan for whatever your need is. And all you need is a crypto asset, an acceptable crypto asset. And you can do that by simply just buying it, the asset that you need, right? And then doing what you need to do through the DeFi platform. All right. Now, in the videos that I talked about, as I scrolled before, as you see right here on the side, all the videos that I have published on this channel will walk you through what is DeFi, so that you have a comprehension of it. It will walk you through understanding the steps, right, and the requirements. Like you see right here. Let's see, where is it at? Proof of concept. Boom, right there. Okay, as you see right here where it says proof of concept, I have put together a web page that is only accessible through watching that video, right? And that link is on every video that I publish. It's even on this video right here. And it takes you to what's called the first class bonus page. The first class bonus page, there's 3 offers on there for $7 entrepreneur, live from my smartphone and learn how to get rich online. All right. Now, I'm not going to walk through that and explain all that stuff to you on this video, because if you watch any of those other videos, as a matter of fact, if you watch the bonus page video, there's a video called DeFi Crypto Class bonus page. If you watch that video, it will tell you everything that I'm talking about as far as the first class bonus page and the bonuses that come along with accessing it. But my point of telling you this and saying this, and why I pointed out this proof of concept, is because on that web page has all this information, everything, you know, from NFTs to DeFi to the steps to DeFi, the proof of concept, crypto wallets, and all that stuff, right? And I put it on that page because in order for you to know, to get involved in this, you need to educate yourself at the highest level that you can, okay? And I've laid this out for you and made it easy for you so that you can be able to do that, all right? Now, the other thing is that you have a lifetime access to this page. All you have to do is bookmark the link. And anytime, like say if you happen to misplace the link, like you can't find it or something, you can always come back to one of these videos, go in the description section, click on the link, and it'll take you straight back to that page. And you can read the information. You can consume the information at your own pace and learn what you need to know. So that way, when you engage with DeFi, decentralized finance, you know, you'll know what you're doing. You're not just going in it blind. You're not going into it at a disadvantage. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency real quick, okay? Let me see real quick. All right, right here. Right here. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. Now, let's see. Top 100 cryptocurrencies right there. Now, I'm Northstar. Thank you for checking this out. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, get us a thumbs up. Get us a thumbs up and share it with your people. All right. Thank you. Talk to you later.